That line bar. We put all new wear strips on the head blocks, and this thing's been like a rattle trap. Now, the front head block and the dogs on the middle head block don't move in and out fast. But they'll wear in. We got them all lubed up. Oh yeah. Oh. And the oiler ain't worked in years. I mean, this thing just been neglected. So we're working on it and getting her all lubed up. The oiler right on the oiler. And it'll mess with the timing just a little bit because it's a little slow. So I get the hang of it. This thing can sound like a round. Oh, now they're on the roll. Okay, so what happened is the elevator has a red light on it. For some reason, that thing's up in. Well, it was loose and shaking until it was well, look what years it off the tail. This thing was bad. So as soon as we put the open back on it, it was working. I don't know what happened there. We got to figure that out. Past. I never have really been around it. But I'm sure he did a lot more computers and stuff helping out around here. At least we got the oil or something working. It hadn't worked. They said sure. He's all nervous with that thing. Sounds a lot better. It was rattling. It sounded like a damned old walled out disc before. They put new wear strips all over the thing. Thank you. Hey, this is Mr. Manbug here. Overweight hat. Got it up there, overweight hat, flat bill flip.
Oh yeah.
Got that project on there, dude, bro. Look at that.
Love it.
He says I'm jealous because I ain't got no hair. Oh, get those out. the operators that complain about getting dirty and the cleanup guys and stuff, I get oil all over them, that's when you know you're doing it right. You're out of water, bro.
Oh man, here's the oilers for the carriage. They've been getting gook in them and stopping up. And, I've got 2 of them working now on the track, but one not real good. But I'm starting to figure out how they work and stuff. It basically sends a shot through here. It sends a shot of oil the way that thing works, and then this plunger will suck up in there or something. I don't know why it's sucking up in there, but it's doing it. And then the spring in here is what actually sends the oil out the track. So when this thing gets to where it ain't doing nothing, it ain't getting oil. And then this thing also has a plunger up in here that will stop. I'm telling you. And then here's this little bitty thing. I don't know what this is. This son of a buck, I'm telling you. So yeah, got a lot to learn. Crazy. But this little stud here, this little weed whopper ain't sticking out. It's an innie and it needs to be an
Freaking
outie.
insane around here.
This daggone
Everything's
thing, I'm telling you, it's a piece of freaking junk. You know what? I had to put a transformer up there, and it wasn't even bad. It was that stupid switch.
Yes,
sent me the- Okay, yesterday, this thing screwed up, wouldn't work. Turned a bit switch, changed transformer, because it's only put out 12 volts, supposed to put out 24. And I thought, well, maybe a transformer. No, that way I pretty much figured out transformer don't just go bad like that. They pretty much, they melt through to where it don't get loop on the high side or low side, whatever. Anyways, long story short, that wasn't it. So I changed the freaking switch, go raise the freaking thing up, and this freaking ding dong come off the side there, and that ding dong was all wound up there, and then I freaking fixed that, and this other ding dong was messed up, so I freaking fixed that, and then the son of a bucking spring in the mix of it, I screwed up that spring somehow, and that son of a buck. When you're teaching them springs, you got to stretch them. I didn't know that, didn't get the memo. So anyways, when I tried to shut the daggone door, spring balled up and couldn't, and it stopped the door, and so the belts, somebody spinning up there, door ain't shutting. God, Dory. I got pissed and kicked that chair out, and yeah, that chair took flight. It went out there. Eli was feeding the kids the other day. He's looking at me. He's like, I don't know about you, boy.